Welcome to the Windows Computer and Technology channel, and it's still early. We know that Windows updates, the rollout of Windows updates, if there's problems happening, it's kind of early. But for the first a little more than 24 hours now, it seems to roll out pretty well. There is the original background noise. We talk about it, and that's always a controversy because a lot of people are in the impression that Windows updates broke their systems or things like that. And for the majority of people, there are never any problems with Windows updates. And there are many things that can make Windows Update unstable and not work right. Even Microsoft says just a flaky internet connection can just make Windows Update a nightmare. A lot more people than they think have internet connections that are unstable, and they don't realize it. If it takes very long for you to download a Windows Update, it's an indication that something's just not right with the network connection. And there are so many other things. Yes, there have been Windows updates that created issues, absolutely. But for the most part, it's very often on specific machines with specific setups, and often with machines that might already at the core have issues. So it's a tough one, and it gives all the impressions, the different impressions that different people have, because it's normal. You're frustrated when Windows updates creates issues. So it's the standard background noise that I see right now. The only thing that I have seen that is out of the ordinary is on the server side where there's a BitLocker key that's being asked after the update. But for the rest, for the standard user right now, nothing out of the ordinary is being been showing up in all of the different blogs that I actually watch people complaining about issues. Um, the usual, standard mad people thinking that Windows Update is creating issues on their machines. But still, it is always nice to have a survey and have, comments from people because you never know. It's still early in the game, and sometimes it takes, a week to notice something out of the ordinary. If you have any problems, if you had any issues with your Windows Update for the month of April, let me know. And if something out of the ordinary kind of showed up and you find it a little weird, uh, post a comment below. We'll be checking that out. And sometimes it's interesting because here I have enough viewers and enough comments every day that we often see a pattern when something doesn't go right. I often see it here before I will read it on any blog post, or I will read it in a Microsoft, post saying, "Oh yeah, we know there's this issue," because there's enough people here to actually see a pattern when something happens. So when more than one person, when 6, 7, 10, 15 comments are, "I have this particular issue," and everybody mentions the same thing, you're up to something. Something might be showing up. So if you have any issues, and even if it's okay, if you could just say, "Yep, everything went fine," in the comments below. If you enjoy my videos, please subscribe, give us thumbs up. Thank you for watching.